My beliefs and values, specifically as a geometry teacher, have evolved during this course. I feel like I still had the mindset of involving technology, using visuals, hands-on activities, but now I know how to specifically apply those types of tasks in allowing my students to change to different Van Heel levels and make sure that all my lessons and activities have as many of the geometric habits of minds that I can incorporate. Um, Three quotes here that I connected with during this course was from The Role of Technology in Early Childhood Learning. Clements and Surema concluded that we can use technology to teach the same old stuff in the same way, or we can capitalize on the benefits of technology by using integrated computer activities to increase achievement. From Harkins, when she stated that I have changed my teaching by small steps rather than by leaps and bounds. And lastly, from Hollenbrands, where he states, findings from research about students' understanding may furnish a starting point for making instructional decisions. So all of this, I think, leads or connects with the NCTM statement that tools provide new sources of imagery as well as specific ways of thinking about geometric objects and processes. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation.